So, what if I don't like it? So this is curry chicken with fried rice and vegetables. Let me tell you, I just tried a little bit of the gravy and it go. So, hold on. I think I love curry chicken more than the next person. With this right here, this is really good. So good. So, what if I don't like it? I like it. 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 Oh, that's good. A little bit. Vegetable. Very, okay. No. When I tell you, like, curry, gravy, the chicken, the rice, soft. Everything's soft. As you can hear, vegetable, a little crunchy, which made of. Yeah, long time and I haven't tried that thing. But rate it. I don't know how to rate it, but I think it's definitely top of the list for chicken. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna finish this up. Be right back with you.
The fried rice.
It's a little what?
Big time.
You think so? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah. What?
You should send a curry with that.
No, definitely not mutton. They're nice though, right? Tell them I sent you.